Yes, how about Rabbi?
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, so like you said earlier, talking about people have trouble, reading and stuff like that. Like myself, I do have, get bored real easy reading a book. What would be something to help with that? To overcome something like that.
So it's a very good question. So many people have this issue. Don't think that you're alone in this. Especially younger generation, like they never read the book. So the guy I was talking to, like, he said, "You mean the paper book? You mean the book?" Yeah, I said, "Yeah, exactly. You read that's what we do. We read the books." So, and of course, many people are not used to read the books, and so you start. Personally, Hashem created person that he wants to adapt to anything. So even in a North Pole, if you send any animal, they're going to die. Like normal animals, like from Florida, you send all of the animals to the North Pole, they're going to die. Person is going to survive. Guess what? It's going to be cold, this and that, but it's going to survive, guaranteed, right? So why is that? Because that's how Hashem created people. They can adapt, and we have to use this adaptation. So, as we said, all of the people have different talents, and they have the different start, right? Starting point. So you start from little, so you can do half a page to half a page, right? Two paragraphs. Concentrate on 2 paragraphs. That's it. But other things you can do from videos, from listening of the lectures, and that's it. So and then you continue. You get used to after reading half a page for 2-3 weeks. So your body, your mind is going to get used to. So it's not so much like a time to concentrate on a half a page, and then you come back and read again and again and again a few times. And even people with a low focus, they can concentrate. I mean, how? If you start, of course, you need a study partner. So the best way is to have a study partner. It could be anybody, preferably that this person would be more advanced than you. Of course, that's preferable. But even if it's not, there is also no problem. You can just repeat in your own words what you just read on a half a page. We're not talking about 3 pages on or the whole topic. Try to read with your eyes and say it out loud with your own words. You understand? That's one of the approach, especially to memorize whatever you learn. But otherwise, many people cannot read books. But it's only a matter of practice. You practice, and then your body gets used to. Like sometimes you go into the water, right, into the river, right, and it's very cold. It's so cold. You think you don't want to swim. But after sometimes, like a few minutes, your body get used, and you swim for half an hour. There is no problem. You understand? That's same as here. You just start with small and increase. Just feel yourself, like if you're comfortable with this, with half a page, so you increase to 3/4 of the page. You understand? That's the only approach. It's not going to work. There is no magic, there is no trick, there is no pill that you can going to swallow and it's going to work. So you just adapt little by little. Other people, they're just lazy. I don't know, there are people that can swallow books about nonsense. There is no problem. But Torah, half a page, it's that's the laziness. But many people have exactly the same issue. They cannot read books. Okay, that's why Hashem created internet. Well, one of the reasons, right?